Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Monday.com. This is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate with team members or share project updates with external stakeholders without giving them full access to your entire workspace. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, we need to prepare the board for sharing. Look towards the upper right corner of your board and click on the three-dot menu. This menu houses several important board management options. From the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration panel where you can adjust various aspects of your board's behavior and permissions. Once you're in the Settings panel, click on Change Board Type. This is a crucial step because it determines who can access your board and how. From the options presented, choose Change to Shareable. You'll then see a prompt asking how you want to handle access. Select Invite them and grant them access to this board. This ensures that anyone you share the link with will be able to view the board. Go ahead and confirm the change. The system might take a moment to process this update, so give it a second to apply the new settings. Now that your board is configured for sharing, let's head back to the board itself. At the top of your screen, you'll see the view bar where different views of your board are displayed. Hover over the view name you want to share. When you do this, a three-dot menu will appear next to it. Click on that menu to reveal more options specific to that view. From the menu, select Share. This opens up the sharing interface where you can customize how your board appears to others and generate a shareable link. Before creating the link, you might want to edit the view name or add a description to provide context for your recipients. You can do this by clicking the blue pen icon, which allows you to make these adjustments easily. Once everything looks good, look for the shareable link section. Next to it, you'll see a copy button. Click Copy to grab the link and store it on your clipboard. This link is what you'll send to anyone you want to give access to. Simply paste this link into an email, message, or any communication channel you're using with your recipients. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Monday.com board for sharing and generated a link that you can distribute to collaborators. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.